You searched how to buy shares of Compagnie du Bois Sauvage SA, a firm listed on Euronext under the ticker COMB.BR that is associated with timber and industrial assets. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade this stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker COMB.BR to find the listing. Make sure the result shows Euronext so you locate the correct share. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it is the right Compagnie du Bois Sauvage share. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order will follow the platform's execution rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.